Peace and love to everybody. Today's ride is going to take us to the Hayward Lake Railway Trail, where we're going to find a couple of small, obscure beaches. I'm also going to show you how to get there from Dudney Trunk Road or from Lougheed Highway. So this one is Dudney Trunk, just past 284th Street, Iron Mountain store on your right. Then we just go up here a couple of minutes, not this fast hopefully. Okay, we're going to take a right-hand turn at Wilson Street, which is actually 287th Street. A nice scenic ride, a few kilometers up the road. Once you pass the sign that says Railway Trail 200 meters, you're getting very close. You'll notice that the first gate is locked and closed, but it doesn't matter because about 200 meters further up the road is the second entrance, and I prefer that one anyways because there's no incline for walking, whereas the first entrance there's a major incline when you're walking back. So you just pull through the gate and this will lead you down to the parking lot. We just passed the 280th Street traffic lights on Lougheed Highway, which is Highway 7, and now we're going to turn left on 287th Street. .287th Street turns into Wilson Street, right about here somewhere. Once you cross the Ruskin Dam, you're going to take your very first right, which is just before the curve here. And there is your entrance to the Hayward Lake Railway Trail. Once again, we'll go down into the parking lot. At the end of the parking lot is the beginning of the trail that you take to the first and second beach. But before we show you the trail, I'm just going to show you a quick shot of the Hayward Lake itself and its shoreline. To the left is the lot we parked in and the entrance to the trail. As you're walking the trail, there will be little tiny trails that bring you down to the water. But if you take any of those, be very careful because as soon as the land ends, the water is immediately abruptly deep. You can actually jump or dive into the water at many points along this shoreline. Of course, always check for rocks or other underwater debris before jumping or diving into the water. About 10 minutes onto the trail, you'll come to the first beach. You'll have no problem finding it because it's literally on the trail. At the top of your screen, those lined up posts of wood were actually the base for the railroad track that came straight through here. And there's your second beach right off the trail. That's actually sand mixed into the water there. The trail goes on for another 16 kilometers all the way around the entire lake. The beautiful dance scene always makes a ride and a day at the beach better. Well, there you have it, my Hayward Lake Railway Trail video. Hope you enjoyed it. Join me for all my adventures on my YouTube channel, RSamson. Goodbye, everybody.